Hi, I'm Tara with Pink Power Cleaning, and today I'm going to show you how to clean a commode. First, what you want to do is spray your disinfectant from top to bottom. So start with that tank, spray the lid, lift it up, spray the seat, lift up the seat and get the whole underside. You also want to spray the sides and the front of the commode. Then you'll take your toilet bowl cleaner, put it inside the bowl around the whole rim in there, and then you want to scrub it with your toilet brush. So with your toilet brush, get under the rim, get down in the hole where the water goes through, and get the sides really well. Go ahead and flush that. And later you're going to look at it again and make sure that you did get all the stains out. Then you'll take your cloth, start by wiping off the tank, the handle, and then wipe off the lid. When it comes to where the hinges are, if you can just wipe it, that's great, but sometimes there's buildup around the hinges. In that case, a toothbrush is really handy. It gets right in that crevice and gets all of the grime out. After that, you want to lift the lid and wipe the underside of it, then wipe the seat off. Also get the outside rim of the seat. Lift it up, get the whole bottom of the seat really well, and then the rim of the commode. Also, you want to make sure you reach back right there and get where the hinges are from that angle also. Then you'll wipe off the front of the commode and take it all the way around the sides. And make sure to get really good where the bolts are. You'll get all that dust and grime off of there. Lastly, you'll take your cloth and wipe behind the commode. There's a lot of dust buildup back there that a mop can't get, a broom can't get, but your cloth will get great. So take it all the way around, from the back around to the sides, and use your cloth when you're back there and wipe off the little pipe that goes from the wall to the commode. That's another area where a lot of dust will build up. So after you do all of that, you have a nice clean commode. I'm Tara with Pink Power Cleaning. Like, subscribe, comment below. Thank you so much for watching.